Hello viewers, welcome to MathTech. I am Amit Sharma. In this video, we are going to solve all the questions of engineering mathematics from GATE 2020, Computer Science and Information Technology. So without a delay, let's start. Question number 1, containing 1 mark. Consider the function, first function e to the power minus x, second function x square minus sin x, third function square root of x cube plus 1. Which of the above functions is /r increasing everywhere in closed interval 0, 1? Option A, third only. Option B, second only. Option C, second and third only. Option D, first and third only. First, we need to know the following results to solve the question. Result number 1. Let f(x) be a continuous function on open interval ab and differentiable on closed interval ab. First point, if f dash c is greater than 0 for all c belongs to open interval ab, then f(x) is increasing on closed interval ab. Point number 2, if f dash c less than 0 for all c belongs to open interval ab, then f(x) is decreasing on closed interval ab. Point number 3, if f dash c is 0 for all c belongs to open interval ab or for a finite number of values of c belongs to open interval ab, then f(x) is constant on closed interval ab. Result number 2, let a and b in closed interval ab where f dash a greater than 0 and f dash b less than 0. Then from intermediate value theorem, it follows that there must be some value c belongs to open interval ab where f dash c is 0. Consider the first given function f of x equal to e raised to the power minus x. Then f dash x is minus of e raised to the power minus x. Clearly, for all c belongs to open interval 0, 1, f dash c less than 0. Therefore, f of x equal to e to the power minus x is a decreasing function. Hence, option D is wrong. Now, consider the second given function f of x equal to x square minus sin x. Then f dash x equal to 2x minus cos x. Here f dash 0 is minus 1, which is less than 0. And f dash 1 is 2 minus cos of 1, which is equal to 1.49, which is greater than 0. That is f dash 0 is negative and f dash 1 is positive. Then from intermediate value theorem, there must be some value of c belongs to open interval 0, 1 such that f dash c is 0. Implies there exists a point, say critical point or called critical point, where function f of x is constant. Hence, option B and C are wrong. Therefore, option A is right. Question number 2, again 1 mark. Let R be the set of all binary relations on the set 1, 2, 3. Suppose a relation is chosen from R at random. The probability that the chosen relation is reflexive, round up to 3 decimal place is. In order to find the solution, the following results are very useful. Result number 1, the total number of relation on a set with n element is 2 to the power n square. Result number 2, the number of reflexive relation in a set having n elements is 2 to the power n square minus n. Here, the number of element given is 3, that is n equal to 3. Therefore, total number of relation on a set is equal to 2 to the power 3 square, which is equal to 2 to the power 9. And the number of reflexive relation equal to 2 to the power 3 square minus 3, which is equal to 2 to the power 6. Therefore, probability of choosing the reflexive relation out of the set of relations equal to 2 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 9, which is equal to 0.125. Question number 3, again 1 mark. Let G be a group of 35 elements, then the largest possible size of a subgroup of G other than G itself is. To find the solution, first we need to learn the following results. Result number 1. If order of G equal to PQ, P less than Q, then G has exactly one subgroup of order Q. Result number 2. Let G be a finite group and H be a subgroup of G, then order of H divides order of G. It is given that order of G is 35. Possible order of subgroups of G are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now order of G is 35, which can be written as 5 times 7, and 5 is less than 7. Hence G has one subgroup of order 7. Therefore, largest possible size of subgroup of G other than G is 7. Question number 4, containing 2 marks. Let A and B be two n cross n matrices over real numbers. Let rank M and DETM denotes the rank and determinant of a matrix M respectively. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Rank AB equal to rank A times rank B. Statement 2. Determinant of AB equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. Statement 3. Rank A plus B less than equal to rank of A plus rank of B. Statement 4. Determinant of A plus B less than equal to determinant of A plus determinant of B. Which of the above statements are true? Option A, 1 and 2 only. Option B, 1 and 4 only. Option C, 2nd and 3rd only. Option D, 3rd and 4 only. The following results are very essential to learn in order to find the solution. Result number 1. If A and B are square matrix of same order, then determinant of AB equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. Result number 2. That A and B are two matrices of same size, then rank of A minus rank of B mod less than equal to rank of A plus minus B less than equal to rank of A plus rank of B. Using these two results, we can easily find that option C is true. Let us discard another option. Let A be a matrix containing element 1, 1, 0, 1 and B is another matrix containing element 1, 1, 1, 0. Clearly, the rank of A is 2 and rank of B is 2, implies rank of A into rank of B is 4. Now, calculate A into B, which is equal to 2, 1, 1, 0. Therefore, rank of AB is 2, which is not equal to rank of A times rank of B, which is equal to 4. Therefore, statement 1 is incorrect. Hence, option A and B are wrong. Let A is a matrix containing element 1, 0, 0, 1 and B is a matrix containing element 2, 0, 0, 2. Clearly, determinant of A is 1 and determinant of B is 4, which implies determinant of A plus determinant of B is 5. Now, A plus B, which is equal to 3, 0, 0, 3, which implies determinant of AB is 9, which is not less than equal to determinant of A plus determinant of B, which is equal to 5. Therefore, statement 4 is incorrect. Hence, option D is wrong. Therefore, option C is right. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, comment me. To get the solution in PDF format, check the description box. Thank you very much.